I'm in the bathroom. This lighting eats. Okay, hey guys, it's a couple weeks later and we're gonna head downtown now to kind of finalize our pattern block and move into the sampling stage. But the last couple of weeks have been busy just with travel and whatnot, but what I was able to accomplish was bringing back my pattern block, washing it in the washing machine just to make sure it keeps its shape, and also just to see how it would respond to like just being washed. Essentially it kept its shape, and I'm happy with, you know, how it drapes and how it wears and hangs and whatnot. So now we're gonna go downtown and finalize the pattern block and then also start to add some of the details. I wanna add a lot of pockets because I've been in my like cargo era as of late. And I also wanna add in maybe another waist cinching detail. I'm really excited to get to this stage and looking forward to seeing what we can come up with these additional edits. This bag just has my sample, or actually not my sample, my pattern block. It has a reference sample and it has a pair of cargos in the bottom that I really like because I want us to kind of be inspired by the pockets there. So that's what I'm taking with me. Actually, we forgot to do a quick outfit of the day, so let's get into it and then we're gonna get out the door. All right, today we just have a casual fit. My top and my jeans are from a brand called Never Fully Dressed. And I love the back pockets here. They got the scallop detail. Wearing my favorite Zara clogs as of late. And then this bag is from Kate Spade. Earrings are from Target. Ooh, can y'all see them? Earrings are for Target. Okay, now we're gonna go. It's 31st. Is that still Leo season? Virgo. All right, this is the reference and then this is the pattern block. It kept its shape and it's like form when I washed, nothing changed. I just hung it to dry and washed it in cold water. And that's, yeah, so it's, I like these cargos a lot. I like the pockets that are on them, and I essentially wanted to add pockets. Did you send me a picture? But yeah, on the outside. Yeah, they look pretty similar. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we just finished up adding some details to my pattern block. I'm really excited about this. I think it's coming together, and my pattern maker, she's really excited as well. So it's just like a lot of, you know, good vibes that are happening right now. I'm in the bathroom. This lighting eats. Okay, so we're done for the day. I do need to get more trims just for the rest of the details that we're adding to the sample. So I'll probably do that like next week, bring you guys along, of course. And then I will hopefully be able to drop off a few of the trims to her next week, and so that she can get started. But really excited. We were talking about like maybe even doing cargo pants, but I think I really want to focus on this jumpsuit because I love a jumpsuit and I really want to make sure it's like up to my standards. So yeah, I'm excited. I really cannot wait to see the final product. This is literally like, I brought her 4 or 5 like different jumpsuits and cargo pants that I wear, and I'm essentially taking details from all of those and adding them to my jumpsuit. So it's literally going to be my dream personified, and I hope that, you know, people fuck with the vision. We'll see. Okay, see y'all next week maybe. Bye. Hello guys, it's a few weeks later. Duh. As you know by this background, you know what it means. Anyway, we're going downtown today to look at our very first sample. Woo! Very excited. I have the fit model who's coming downtown with us. We're gonna try it on, see what tweaks and adjustments need to be made, and then that's that. So yeah, first sample, really excited. And of course, I gotta give y'all an outfit of the day. Duh. So, we're gonna start with my sunglasses. They are from, I don't know if it's Elisa or Lisa Johnson. Earrings are from Farm Rio, and then I'll show you the rest of the fit. All right, this is what the outfit is giving today. Top is from Zara, pants are from Zara, jeans are from Zara, and shoes are from Zara. So this whole outfit is brought to you by Zara. Hey y'all, so we are downtown, we made it. We're gonna go in and do our fitting real quick, and then we're gonna leave because I gotta go to work tomorrow. And see you inside.
Almost 7 days, I feel like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, change and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies and find a tie. Introduce them to the top. Niggas wanna kumbaya.
This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartaches, she only do what she know. Lickings, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
I mean, it definitely looks a lot better.
Get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. With you, everything goes. I'm coming with that on my soul. Bobby, count, whiskey, rose, jump on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give these nobodies no sympathy. Take away the pain, I give you everything. If this world were mine, I trust you, I love you, I won't waste your time, I'll turn you off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say love. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give these nobodies no sympathy.
Okay, y'all, it's a few weeks later, and I am wearing the sample. It has been a crazy couple of weeks. I had to move. I went to Nigeria. So anyway, we back. And this is me in the sample, and I love it. I think it is high-key perfect. The only thing is, it's a little long on me, and I'm about 5'5", and I do want this to be like tall girl friendly, but like if I can't wear it, then what's tea? And if an inch is taken off, I think it'll still actually be pretty long. Okay, so we are in the mirror now. See how it's a little long, and this is with it like folded up. I think if we fold it or cut the length a little bit, it'll be perfect, at least on me. And I still think it'll be long enough for the tall girls. But yeah, love this. Like, this is my style, like, so bad. Pocket lining feels good. These pockets are super duper cool. I just love this. So yeah, you can see it's a little boxy. So I'm hoping that we are either gonna have to change the fabric or see if they can soften it a little bit at the dye house. But yeah, I kind of love it. Yeah. All right. Like, I love this. Honestly, it's like perfect. I'm a jumpsuit girl. I just feel like it makes things 10 times easier. I forgot what they were saying, but I think I'm gonna make this, I don't know. We're still deciding on whether I should just make this zip up all the way or if it should be like part buttons, part zip up. I like the progress that we have made, and I'm hoping next week, or I guess in the next vlog, that we can really hit the ground running with picking the color, softening the fabric, because we're like almost at the finish line. This is like probably one of the best samples that I have created, so I'm really happy about that. Anyways, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. And in the meantime, if you're bored, if you miss me, I just uploaded a Detsy December vlog. I think I have a vlog from when I went to Colorado, and maybe before or after I edit this, I have another vlog for New Year. Then I don't know when that one is going up, but I have another vlog about how I spent my New Year's Eve. So it's a lot of content coming your way. There's shorts. I'm on Instagram. Follow me there. I'm on TikTok, if that's not banned by now. So yeah, same username for all of my socials. I'll see you next time, guys. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions on the sample, or if you just want to say hello. I like that too. Till next time, bye.
And it feels like, ooh, you don't know my